moving into our today's trading idea of the day would be BIMB. We start first one BIMB. So one of the reasons why we highlight, we are looking at the what we call that the current market movement. You can see most of the momentum stock is actually start to ease off, profit taking and so on. So based on our quant reading, we switch up into a value and growth style. So both value and growth style often looking for the stock which is more on the, I would say, pretty much on the sideway and looking to resume their prior uptrend. So we cross-check with our technical reading. So for Bank Islam, Malaysia Berhad, if you look on the trend, it's still pretty much uptrend. The one that started since June last year still intact. The uptrend line here is pretty much hitting at least 3 points here, indicating that going uptrend still pretty strong. So what make it interesting is the stock is actually trading above the major resistance turn support right within at 2 ringgit 15 cent and 2 ringgit 18 cents. So this kind of bidding for of new baseline for the stock. So the ongoing rally also was quite supportive, particularly within the above the red line over here, represented by the Kijun line for Ichimoku cloud. And you can tell the cloud is still pretty much supportive. The difference between span A and span B is still a little bit big. So that means momentum is remain on the upside. There's some concern about the mild divergence we've seen here, but if you look on the trend for RSI, it's still pretty much on up. So a spike in overall momentum and uptick in RSI, followed by equally positive reading in checking money flow. We think the ongoing uptrend still has room for further upside. So we put our technical target at 2 ringgit 38 cent and 2 ringgit 54 cent, where the colors will be below 2 ringgit 15 cent. The what we call risk to reward ratio is quite attractive at the current level. Alright, so moving on into our what we call it, the next stock is actually DSN. So DSN, one of the reasons why we highlight because the recent decline within this so-called downtrend channel, downtrend line has ended following a solid breakout move on the 4th January. So this actually has seen the stock build a new baseline, yellow structure above the 20-day moving average. Momentum remain elevated, so despite overbought. So the overbought here meant that the stock is trying to escape their recent downtrend fall. So ability for the stock to trade within the overbought territory tell you that momentum is pretty strong, and this actually was supported by the higher trading volume and equally positive reading in MACD. So because of that, we think there's decent chance for the stock to continue to trade higher, looking to test the net resistance level at 76 cent and 85.5 cent, while the cut loss will be below 65.5. So risk to ratio also looking quite attractive at the current level. I think it should be able to get 1 to 3. Now, last but not least would be mynews.com. So mynews.com is still on the consolidation. It is actually forming a triangle pattern, and the triangle is yet there is no breakout yet, but we think there could be soon. One reason why trading volume has gradually improving, momentum has gradually picking up. So while the stock price remain on the flattish side, but we can see the momentum is actually has slowly improving. So because that, we think there's decent chance for the upper breakout soon. A breakout above 54 cent may kickstart a new upcycle for the stock, with the next technical reading resistance is actually at 58 cent and 64.5 cent, while the cut loss will be below 49.5 cents. So if you look on the screen, the risk to reward ratio also quite attractive with the lower support and has room for further upside for the stock. Do 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 do.